Hello, everybody. My name is Peter, and I'm here to tell you a story about why one of our clients choose to work with us. Recharge.com. When Recharge.com started to grow, everybody was excited. Recharge.com is a fast-growing company. They scale all over the world, expanding their team rapidly in a fast-growing pace, and they're adding multiple payment service providers globally in a really high pace. They're also migrating to an ERP system, so it's fun to work for Recharge, right? Who wouldn't like to work in a fast-growing environment like this? Well, the complex tech stack, along with this rapid growth, leads to some challenges for finance, accounting, and control teams. What we see at Recharge, but not only at Recharge, I think all of our clients have this in common, is the following. A complex and disconnected tech stack with a high volume of transactions. What does that lead to? Repetitive, error-prone manual work, because you need to gather all these transactions out of all of these systems in Excel and do your magic there. Invoices are not getting recorded on an individual level anymore because of this high volume. It's also too costly to store this in an individual level in ERP systems. That leads to painful monthly month-end closes and year-end closes, and of course tedious audits. Back-end systems lack matching logic, which makes the order-to-cash reconciliation quite a hassle. These working with multiple payment service providers that are disconnected with each other also leads to unnoticed revenue loss or doing multiple refunds to a customer because you're refunding via multiple payment service providers. Well, the cause for all this problem is the following, that the back-end system is never designed with finance in mind. I've, in my 20 years of experience working as an auditor, have never seen a back-end system that has been developed where somebody thought, hey, while we're starting a company, let's think about adding journal entry logic into the system and make sure that the back-end is always in balance. So, what do all these issues have in common? The following: a lack of financial control and a lack of streamlined reconciliation. What we see companies do before they start working with us is the following. They try to solve this problem themselves. They step into the trap that's called trying to build a reconciliation tool yourself. How hard can it be, right? Well, they step into a rabbit hole with a lot of complexity they didn't know at the start. We see developers with no background in accounting trying to solve this for finance. We most of the time see also that it's a one-off solution that they make, but the goal is, of course, to have a continuous solution and work towards that. So why and how did Recharge, but also other of our clients, overcome this problem to create a solid backbone and make sure that you can grow in a sustainable way while your finance team doesn't have to scale linearly with your own revenue growth? They start working with us because we have designed a winning solution for how to streamline reconciliation and how to enable financial and business control. We approach it in 4 steps. We match orders versus payments, we match payments versus settlements, we match settlements versus the accounting system, we follow all order data into the accounting system as well, and that leads towards that you can follow your money on transactional level on a daily basis on our platform. It enables you to make sure that all your orders can be matched to a payment, every payment can be matched to a settlement, and basically you can create a representation of your balance sheet and your P&L on our platform. Who wouldn't like to have that, right? Well, that means that if you use us, you have less manual work in your team, you have more valuables and spare time, you have faster month-end and year-end closes, you have a relaxeder and a happier finance team. I saw it change. You have also accurate revenue statistics and other insights, and spot revenue, refund, and chargeback leakage. So the end result is a reliable financial twin of the backend that's in balance. We work for global brands that continuously trust their numbers. And if you want to know what our clients say about us, come visit me at our booth SO7, and hope to see you there. Thank you very much for your attention.